I ran into this last week as well, fixed it for me. If you're dealing with a transfer pending issue on Citibank, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Citibank account and navigate to the transfer section. Look for the status of your pending transfer to confirm it's still active. Step 2. Verify account details. Ensure that the account numbers and details entered for the transfer are correct. A small typo can lead to delays. Step 3. Review transfer limits. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the transfer is still pending after verifying details, reach out to Citibank customer support. They can provide specific insights into the issue. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes transfers take longer due to banking hours or holidays. If everything checks out, give it some time before trying again. I hope these steps help you get your transfer sorted out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.